Hello everyone, in this video we'll walk through on how to run a node which is on VPS on Shardeum Betanet, which is Phoenix. So I have pasted a link below, attached a link below. You can click on that particular link, which is PQ hosting. This PQ hosting actually gives you a VPS, online VPS server. You can buy one VPS and then you can execute your node on it. So click on this particular link, and if you scroll down to choose tariff section, you will actually find different types of tariffs. To run a node on Shardeum Betanet, you would actually need a 8 GB RAM specified VPS as such. So let's move aside and select that particular Palladium which has RAM 8 GB, or you can select Osmium and things like that. You can select above tariffs as well. So in this particular case, we will actually select Palladium, and then we'll click on order server. So it's loading, and yes, so here auto renewal, yes, 14.2.11, leave it as that. And in operating system section, select Ubuntu 22.04, or you can select any above. So 22.04 is the last one, so yeah, we'll select 2.04, and the rest of the options we'll leave them as it is, and click on add to cart. And this is your cart. Now what you have to do is, in promo code you have to enter Shardeum. When you enter Shardeum and then click on use promo code, you'll actually get a 10% discount on this particular server. See, so you have got a 10% discount on this particular VPS, and then now you click on pay. Now you can select, you can pay using Bitcoin or MasterCard or PayPal, Your Money, FreeCasa, anything. So in this case, I have loaded balance already. In case if you haven't loaded balance, you can add balance by clicking on pay here, or you can also click on this particular refill button in beside balance section, and then you can add as well. So now I'll click on pay, and then yes, so Palladium 971521, it's pending. So we have to wait for some time, like 5 to 10 minutes, and then you'll actually find service is ready to use, like this one here as well, and then we can proceed. Now the service is ready to use. So the Palladium we had purchased now has been activated. So if we actually go to product service category and a VPS in it, virtual private servers, and then you will actually find this particular server here. Like this is the one we have purchased right now. When you check the date, its date is 073/2023 today, and when you click on the domain, you can actually find details of this particular domain, like IP address, domain name, password, username, etc. Now you have to copy this particular IP address and go to Putty. So I have opened Putty. In the host name section, I have what we have to do is paste our VPS IP address. So in my case, my address is true, and then click on open. Now you'll find a prompt saying login as. So here everyone should use the same username, which is root, ROOT. Click on enter, and it will ask you the password, and the password is in the billing PQ hosting. You'll actually find this particular password, copy it and go to Putty, and then just right click here and it will paste the password. You can't actually find it, but it has been pasted. Just click on enter, and you'll actually find welcome to Ubuntu 2.4 and things like that. Now go to this Putty codes, copy the first code line, copy it, and then come to Putty and paste this here and click on enter. You have to do this for all the 12 codes, and we will actually do that right now. So yeah, I've pasted it and it is running, and there are some packages that have been building as well. So the first step has been completed. Now it asks to select these services. So we need to select the deposit service. So I'll just enter one here and then click on enter. So that's finished. So next we'll copy this particular second code. See, so it's done now. Next, go to third step, copy it again, come to Putty and paste that here, click on enter. So you have to do this process for all the steps, like now. And do you want to continue? Click select and then enter. So it's installing Docker. And this it's again asking which server should be restarted. So it will be you need to select one again and click on enter, and then fifth code, which is Docker version. We're just checking the version of the Docker that we installed and enter. So you can actually see this. So now the sixth code, copy the sixth code, again, and click and enter. So that's done as well. Seventh code, go to Putty again, paste it and click on enter. That's done. Eighth code, Putty, paste it and enter. That's done as well. And ninth code, paste it and click on enter. Now it is asking me a couple of questions. So do you want to run the web-based dashboard? Yes, I want to run it. So I'll enter Y and click on enter. Now I need to set the password to access this dashboard. So make sure you actually keep an easy password for this, because this password will use this password to run the node. So I'm giving a short password. So I actually type the password, but it doesn't actually show the password. So be careful with that. And then after choosing password, click enter. And now it asks port. So just let this be default 800. That you can directly click on enter, and then it again asks for the first port. Just click enter again, and one more, enter, and then what base directory, click on enter. Let the default be it. So we have given default. So it's actually downloading the node right now. Let this particular download gets done, and then we can move forward. Now let's copy the 10th one and go here and paste it, enter, and then front code, put a final code, put a, and then paste this as well. So click on enter. So that's pretty much. And now what we should do is go to a new page, paste your IP address here in between HTTPS and then your IP address and a semicolon and then 8080 and search for it. So you'll get something a page like this. So click on advanced and click on proceed to this IP address. So click on it as well, and you will actually find this particular interface. Now if you remember, while creating node, we actually gave a password inside Putty, right? Just enter it and click on connect. So you will be able to log into this particular thing. Interface will look something like this, and then you have to go to this particular button, which is maintenance, connect your wallet and click on MetaMask. Now click on add stake and then enter any amount above 10 and then click on stake and then confirm the transaction. So stake was successful and my node started running. The status is in standby. So when I click on overview, the status is standby, total time validating this. So this is my stake decision. So when I start ending some message, I will basically show it here. So that's pretty much how you run a node. So thank you everyone for watching the video. Hope you run your own node as well. Thank you.